Hi, my name is Jaina Chandler. For this year's Royal Ballet and Opera Design Challenge, I chose Marketing Strategy following Director's Vision 3 Embodied Stories. When I first watched The Winter's Tale, I fell in love with the dance and music that I knew I wanted to create in animation. My first digital animation tests were frame-by-frame copies of Christopher Wheeldon's choreography, drawing on the forms of the dance rather than the expressions. I used what I felt were the key themes of Act 1, such as love, jealousy, and destruction, to create a storyboard that would then become the basis of my animation. To link it to the Director's Vision 3 Embodied Stories, I wanted to make the sculptures out of wire, something that is so fragile in their design and gives them such a sense of delicacy. In The Winter's Tale, the dancer Edward Watson portrays the character Leontes with such expressive movements and expressions that I was hypnotised by him and the character that I knew they had to be my focus in the outcome. I used a section of Joby Talbot's score to heighten the intensity of the narrative. I think to me, the complete removal of the heart at the end of the animation is the epitome of the new Leontes, of him suppressing his love for Hermione and rejecting her. By doing this project, I have learnt that in ballet, there is so much emotion within dance and music and how they combine together. To have one story that creates so many different variations and invokes so many different emotions is truly inspiring.